Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Skout account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to change your Skout account's password, go tap open your Skout application and sign into your account first. Once you're in, tap on the hamburger menu at the upper left corner from your profile. Scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Now, under Account, you'll be able to see a Change Password option. First, enter your current password in order to change into a new password. Once you do so, go ahead and enter the new password that you would like to change to for your Skout account. Now, confirm the password by typing it again in the next text field. After you're done, finally, tap on Change Password and you'll be able to change your password for your Skout dating application quick and easy. That is all for today. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it did help you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.